Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your SIM must be provisioned for 5G and your KYC completed. Once done, check your handset supports 5G bands used by Bsnl and install the latest carrier settings. This prevents registration failures. Next, verify your plan includes unlimited 5G or add the unlimited data add-on via the Bsnl app or UST. Make sure the activation shows on your account dashboard. If the network settings haven't updated, reboot and proceed to network selection. Once you have the SIM and plan active, open mobile network settings and force operator to Bsnl or leave on automatic so it picks 5G cell sites. Then configure APN. Use Bsnl net as the APN, set APN type to default, supple, MMS and save. This routes data correctly. Next, enable 5G or 5G/4G preferred mode in the network mode menu so your phone can attach to NR cells. After changes, toggle airplane mode off and on to re-register with the core. To finalize, run a speed test in a known Bsnl 5G coverage area and compare results to 4G. You should see significantly higher throughput. If you don't get 5G, make sure the SIM is in the primary slot and the device's firmware and carrier profile are current. Also verify IMS/VoNR registration if calls fail. If issues persist, collect a MAE and SIM IXID, then contact Bsnl support for provisioning checks. A fresh SIM swap often resolves persistent attach problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.